Hello guys, Iberk is back. What's up? This is gonna be an unboxing video of Pierre Cardin, a guillotine-shaped cigar cutter. So, what makes this cigar cutter special? Actually, this one has a thick and sharp blade. Also, Pierre Cardin gives you a lifetime guarantee to use it. Every part of this cigar cutter is stainless steel, and you can cut your cigar easily with a quick move and a little pressure. So, when we open the box, the cutting case comes up. So, let's pull out this cigar cutter. It's so shiny, and you can easily see the brand's name on it. The price of this is 100 euros. Let me show you the blade. It's thick. Yeah. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my video. So, see you on my next video. Bye.